There we are. Okay, so we're there. So that was that gnarly climb. So we got to go up that ridge right here, and then looks like we follow along the ridge.
Oh god.
We got to get up this hill. We might be okay. I should have just stayed straight. Yeah, it's okay. That's what drifting's all about.
Yeah.
You were doing out here, right? Kinda?
Yeah, kind of. That last part back there, felt like it. Yeah, this second part's not bad, and it goes down to a spot that definitely looks drivable. I just don't know where it goes from there.
Trail right there. Looks like this one kind of ends. That one, that actually doesn't look like a trail, does it?
Not really.
Pull over there though. We can have a quick look.
See, there's something there. I don't know what. I think less than an hour to get out last time.
What were we stuck in last time?
With Tyler.
Oh yeah, that hill. Yeah, this is definitely worse. Okay, on the top of the hill, let's figure out where we're going. Go there. I'm sure as soon as I get a signal, a flood of messages will come pouring in. All right, well this is the way out, right?
Oh, damn, dude.
I need some speed.
Turn the run around.
Oh god. It's gonna be winching again, I can see it. Come on, baby, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, you f***er. Oh, I insulted her, she didn't like it.
We're going.
I might try to take another crack at this. More lights on this thing at this point in our adventure.
Yeah, roof lights, all that off-road stuff that people put on their cars and never go off-roading.
Yeah.
Put on. Yeah.
See if I can start from here. I don't know if that's gonna be enough. Oh god. I don't know. Badness. Sounds terrible. Hopefully it's just the skid plate came loose. I think you hear some clinky sounds. Almost on a drivetrain or something. I don't know. It's drivetrainy for sure. We're just gonna try and drive out of here the best we can.
Well, that's weird. Yeah, there it goes. It's spinning right now. Whatever it is, it's spinning.
There's the drive shaft. I think we just blow up the rear diff.
Ah, shit.
Yeah. Okay. We might have to back up the hill. Give us more traction. Oh, fuck.
That sucks, dude.
Yeah, let's just see what we can do, man.
Oh,
There we are. Okay. So we're there. So that was that gnarly climb. So we got to go up that ridge right here, and then looks like we follow along the ridge.
Oh god.
We got to get up this hill. We might be okay.
Tough.